to draw a kawaii cat. We start drawing the ears. Very nice. We draw some hair. And the other ear. Now we draw the face. Now we start drawing the eyes. We draw a round eye with a circle inside. The mouth and nose. Now we draw the body with both legs. So very good. If you are liking the video, you can subscribe and like. Now we end up standing in line. And now we draw some highlights. And all that remains is to color the drawing. See you in the next video. See you later.